The team on the receiving end was Sri Lanka, a side also renowned for its fast run scorers, notably Jayasuriya, the man whose record was broken by Afridi. Coming in at number 3 and playing his first one-day innings, Afridi was given free range to help Pakistan to a big total, their only hope of reaching the final. But signing captain Shahid could not possibly have expected what was to follow. Afridi was only at the crease for 44 minutes, but when he smashed his second ball for a huge 6, you sensed something special was coming.
That's another 6 for him, and up it goes. That's his third 6 since he's been at the crease. Here he goes again, up in the air.
In all, Afridi hit 11 sixes, equaling the world record, and 6 fours in his incredible record-breaking 37-ball 100. The main feature of his innings was the incredibly clean hitting, especially straight and predominantly off the spinners. One of the main sufferers was Jayasuriya himself, who was clubbed for 28 in 1 over.
Flatter, faster, and hit further and higher. 6 more. Full toss, that's going to be 6. No question about it. Afridi's 50 has come off 18 balls, just 1 ball slower than Exotic's 4 this time. And again.
Down the track he comes, and this has gone a long way. Another 6. These are not hits, these are Scud missiles. And this is another one, even bigger, over mid-wicket and out of the ground.
One on the offside.
And that's another great shot, could be 6, and it is. A magnificent shot over long on. Down the wicket he goes, and that could be a 6. We'll have to wait and see for the signal, and it is a 6. Just over the boundary line.
You can see that, and he's a powerful man, Afridi. Didn't quite time it. He's such a strong man that is still...
That's a big one. It's gone all the way. Shahid Afridi. Bit of turn here, not too much, mind you, but he still used that little bit of turn, and that's a big hit. That's gone. Up and away. So Paul Hooper again deposited over the boundary for another 6.
Was the last ball of the over. Afridi had been kept quiet, but not on that occasion.
ओपन करेंगे गेंदबाजी और सामना उनका करेंगे शाहिद आफरीदी बहुत ही धुआंधार बल्लेबाज जब से वे क्रिकेट सर्किट पे आए उन्होंने तहलका सा मचा दिया है मैंने कहा कि पहले 15 ओवर में खासकर पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन को रोकना पड़ेगा ये ओवर पिच बॉल अफरीदी ने आगे आगे बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से उठा दिया है 6 रन के लिए भारत के बॉलर्स और पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन ने ये ओवर पिच बॉल जिसको उठा दिया है बहुत अच्छी तरह से अफरीदी ने और नो बॉल का इशारा और साथ ही अंपायर का 6 रन का इशारा
There goes Afridi. No fuss at all. 1 bounce and out. Because he knows that mid-off is up. He's giving some room here, moving away from leg stump and just beating mid-off fielder. It's a good thinking. Although he's very young, but the way he applies himself in the middle, it shows that he has plenty of potential. His head keeps going steadily. That's gone through. 4 more. Jadeja, yet square leg up, inside the circle and bowling a high full toss to Afridi. That's a huge one. That's gone for 6. You won't see too many 6s played in that area. He gave himself room, and hitting anything over covers is not the easiest thing to do. Give a lot of room and going with full blade and really timing beautiful.
At least get a good solid bit of bat on it. Well, he's got that one away, and that's over the top. Yes, all the way. Well, there we are. When he hits them, they stay ahead. 2 misses and a hit. And that's what he's been waiting for. Not only has he seen the 6, but he's got the ball. And it looks as if he's, oh yes, he's going to let go. And what's more, he blows his hero a kiss.
That was very well hit. That's probably the longest part of the field here in Sharjah, and that's caused a change in the field.
And I'm afraid at this level, that's inexcusable. And that's launched miles in the air, and no one's going to be underneath that. It's 6.
Shaminder was just pitching it in the right slot, and just see Afridi going through with it. A little bit of room for himself, and the ball soaring over like a scud over mid-off or long off. Out he comes, up she goes, and that should clear the boundary, as it does. It's 6 more runs to Shahid Afridi, and look at the delay. And that is the fastest 50 of the tournament so far.
Oh, down the wicket he goes. He hits it one straight down the ground, and that's going to go all the way as well. Well, this Afridi is deadly dangerous.
अगली वीडियो तक फिर मिलते हैं. खुदा हाफिज़.